So you've determined that you need a power commander for your vehicle. Awesome! It may have even arrived in the mail, and we're as excited as you are to put this to use. From here, you'll have two choices. If you know your power commander comes with specific maps pre-installed, you can go ahead and start physically installing the power commander onto your vehicle. If you're unsure, and say you have a secondhand PC6 and want to learn how to get your own map files off a website or other source, as well as learn how to fine-tune your power commander for your vehicle, keep watching the remainder of this course. If you're going straight into install onto your bike or four-wheel toy, let's talk about preparation. Good prep makes the install smoother and reduces the chances of mistakes and saves time in the long run. First, gather your tools and supplies. At a minimum, you'll need basic hand tools, a set of screwdrivers, Phillips, flathead, maybe a set of metric wrenches and sockets, pliers, side cutters for cutting of zip ties, maybe even Torx drive bits, depending on your machine. Keep a couple of shop rags handy along with dielectric grease to protect electrical connections. A small flashlight or work light helps when you're peering under fuel tanks or inside side panels. Next, lay out the contents of your Power Commander 6 box that you received in the mail. You should have a main Power Commander 6 unit, a wiring harness attached to it, a USB cable, some Velcro or dual lock strips, a couple of stickers, an alcohol swab, and zip ties if applicable. If you ordered optional accessories like a quick shifter or map switch, check that those boxes contain everything they're supposed to. Now, study your vehicle-specific installation guide. Every PC6 part number has its own set of instructions. Read them front to back before you pick up a tool. Familiarizing yourself with the steps lets you anticipate which body panels might need to be removed and where the Power Commander 6 will mount. Note any unique tools required. Some bikes require security Torx or Allen bolts on the airbox to remove that. Understanding the layout of your machine ahead of time prevents surprises midway through the job. With the guide in mind, plan your work area. You'll need space to safely remove seats, fairings, fuel tanks on some vehicles, so really get the layout of your shop set up. Make sure your workbench or floor is clean so you don't leave anything scratched when you remove stuff. Place bolts or small parts in labeled trays or zip-top bags so you don't lose them. Lastly, take safety seriously. Turn the ignition off, remove the key, and consider disconnecting the negative terminal of the battery, especially if you'll be unplugging ignition coils or sensors. Fuel spills are also possible when removing fuel tanks. Have a fire extinguisher handy and avoid open flames at all times. Wear gloves and safety glasses when necessary. And remember to use the provided alcohol swab to clean any surface before sticking down Velcro or dual lock. Adhesives don't stick well to dirty surfaces. This preparation may sound tedious, but it pays off in the long run. Now, for everyone else who isn't installing right away, we're going to need our laptops for these next couple steps to familiarize ourselves with the Power Commander. It's here that you should know your own computing capabilities. If you only have a Windows desktop computer and can't physically fit your vehicle into your office, you'll want to walk through connecting it to the Power Commander 6 and mapping while it's not mounted on the vehicle. Or if you're planning to do lots of custom tuning in your garage, ensure your laptop is up to spec to use our PowerCore software. In the next video, we're going to cover map files, PowerCore installation buttons, and more.